Mexican star quilt patterns are a vibrant and culturally rich addition to any quilter's repertoire. These stunning designs combine bold geometric shapes with bright contrasting colors, drawing inspiration from traditional Mexican art. Mexican star quilt patterns offer both beginners and experienced quilters a visually striking challenge that not only enhances quilting skills, but also brings a touch of cultural heritage to your projects. Let's explore fantastic free Mexican star quilt patterns that you can try today. First up is the Mexican star quilt pattern from Riley Blake Designs. This 66-inch square quilt features the Eleanor fabric by Kathy Cano Murillo. The pattern includes a step-by-step guide for creating the Mexican star quilt block, which measures 17.5 inches unfinished. With its provided diagram and instructions, this pattern is perfect for adding a splash of color and tradition to your quilting projects. Next, we have the Patchwork Mexican Star Block by Wendy Russell of Patchwork Square. This versatile block showcases the beauty of half-square and quarter-square triangles. The pattern includes 2 sample quilt layouts to inspire your creativity, making it an excellent choice for quilters looking to expand their design repertoire. Our third free pattern is the Cathedral Stars Quilt by Donna Jordan for Jordan Fabrics. This 70-inch square quilt is created using strip units and comes with a detailed tutorial featuring helpful photos. Combining classic elegance with modern techniques, this pattern is suitable for quilters of all skill levels. Last but not least is the Star-Crossed Block by Sophie for the Block Lotto. This 9-inch finished block uses 3 fabrics in light, medium, and dark shades to create a striking contrast. The pattern includes detailed construction steps with photos, perfect for creating a visually captivating quilt. Incorporating Mexican star quilt patterns into your quilting projects is a rewarding experience. These designs offer a delightful challenge, allowing you to create visually stunning quilts while celebrating a rich cultural heritage. So gather your fabrics, embrace these vibrant designs, and let your creativity shine as you embark on your next quilting adventure with Mexican star quilt patterns. Discover the beauty of Mexican star quilts. ilovequiltingforever.com has a roundup of free patterns from simple blocks to stunning full quilts. Visit our site now